Wallen Garage Door Repair and Installation provides expert services for all your garage door needs, from new installations to repairs and regular maintenance. Our expert team specializes in the art of garage doors. We're not just here to fix problems. We're here to ensure that your garage door operates with unparalleled smoothness and, most importantly, safety. Contact Wallen Garage Door Repair and Installation in Hampton Roads today for expert repair and replacement services that unlock convenience and security with every use.